wouldn't believe the quick hacks people do for money. From hustling on the streets to scoring big bucks online, people will do just about anything for a quick buck. Here are some of the craziest things people do for money. 1. Hustling on the streets. 2. Scoring big bucks online. 3. Taking on odd jobs. 4. Selling their stuff. 5. Participating in research studies. 6. Becoming a guinea pig. So, there you have it. These are just some of the things people do for money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to keep informed.